Hey guys, this is John, and this video is about a very simple app, Calculator, which is spotted from iOS 11, and it's exactly the same version in the iPhone 10. This calculator is really great looking to me, and because you can see those rounded button looks really great, and as this calculator is really black looking, dark mode actually, which is looks really great and better ever on AMOLED display. It works very great without any problem. For getting this amazing looking calculator, check the link in the description, and in the description you can get more iPhone 10 apps on Android. Link is given in the description again, and you can check my channel content too for getting more features on your Android. For getting these amazing widgets, check the link here or in the description. You can follow me on Twitter and because there you can find so many updates and tricks from me there. You can even contact me there. And this new wallpaper, which is called Edition, made by me, John. You can get this wallpaper from there in Twitter. So if you like this, go to Twitter, follow me and connect with me. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button and share with your friends.